Hello everyone, PS here. On today's episode of Having a Comical Time, the comic book, graphic novel, and manga club, we're going to be talking about Birds of Prey, written by Chuck Dixon and drawn by various artists. There's a lot of people who wrote on this book, and I don't think I'm going to be able to mention them all, but still, this was a fun time. I had fun reading it. Yes, comical time. This book, Sword, Swings, and Fly. Basically, it focuses on like a female superhero group of the DC universe. We got Black Canary, Oracle, Catwoman, Lady Shiva, and Huntress. Wait, that's not the group from the movie. Where's Harley Quinn? I guess this book was written before that movie. If you don't know who Oracle is, I just adore her. She was Barbara Gordon, Batgirl, and in The Killing Joke, Joker shot her in the stomach, paralyzing her. So now she has to use a wheelchair. Instead of fighting crime with her strength and, fight, she fights with her brains, and, that's great to see that someone with a disability overcome challenges and be able to be a positive influence in the world. Black Canary, I think she's the girlfriend or wife of Oliver Queen, who is Green Arrow. She has a superpower of sonic screeching noises like Tyrannosaurus Rex. Huntress, who's kind of like Batman, but female, I think. But she also uses guns, which Batman doesn't use guns. And Catwoman, who we all know from Batman Returns and that bad Catwoman movie. This basically was an anthology series of different stories. We started out with Black Canary dealing with someone trying to deal with the rich and famous and politics and all that stuff. Then we deal with a zombie outbreak or something like that, or some type of virus, and we have to go to an island in order to save all the people. It's basically just them having a fun romp throughout the world. They deal with the Mad Hatter, who's a Batman villain. They deal with this guy named... what's his name? Dawn, who seems to be a love interest for Black Canary. We have to deal with him and his escapades and stuff like that. If you're looking for a fun, good adventures, this would be good. I guess I could show some art. I feel like Chuck Dixon is really having fun writing these characters. And you know what? It's kind of cool focusing on a female superhero team. My favorite line is, "I smell success," which reminds me of a certain YouTubers. One I like, one I can take or leave. You don't need a crystal ball to figure out which one I don't like. And there was a crystal ball joke in here too. One about comparing it to a database. I know the one that I do like, Charlotte, wants everyone to succeed. I'll have to put her channel into the end slate so you can guys go subscribe to her. The art is very interesting. You could tell Gary Frank couldn't do the whole thing. Unlike Doomsday Clock, unlike Batman Earth 1. So he had some fill-in artists, but everyone I think did a really good job. It feels very anime. It feels like you could turn the Birds of Prey into an animated property. I know that Harley Quinn show's doing well. Maybe they should make a Birds of Prey animated series and make it part of the Harley Quinn universe. I really like the colors. They're kind of bright, but there's some darkness to the inks. I think this team did a really good job. I'm glad I got it for my birthday. I think it was 2 years ago. If you're looking for like a superhero team that's like a little different than, let's say, the Justice League or Avengers or anything, it seems like this would be good. I think Chuck Dixon, can write teams well. And I have Team Z, an issue of that. Maybe I should get the rest of those issues and maybe do something with that, if you guys want. Well, I hope you have a good day. Let me know in the comments what you think of this book. Jam on the like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching. Always stay classy.